on little Sloth's trip to Japan.
Waiting room. It's just like being at an airport, isn't it? Now
We're in Osaka.
Osaka!
SpaWorld, and we're gonna go naked bathing. Yay!
Wait, how was your experience?
It's good. There was some really cold ones, and there was some really hot ones.
What was the hottest one you got in?
It was 45 degrees.
What was the most special bath?
The outside one. Yeah. It was very hot. It felt like burning my skin off.
Yeah.
And then there was one that was like really cold. It didn't have a temperature though.
Yeah.
But it was really, really cold. And there was one that was like a mineral run, and it was all like white, and it looked milky.
What about the sauna? How hot was the sauna we went in? The cold sauna.
70 degrees.
75.
75 degrees. And there was a salt sauna as well,
Yeah.
where there was a salt thing in the middle, and then you rubbed it all over yourself.
I liked all of it.
Yeah.
Did it feel a bit weird being naked?
Yeah. Sometimes I forgot that I was naked, and sometimes I'm like, oh, that's right, I'm naked.
Whee! Grand Cat got Starbucks. Did you read your tag on it, Paul?
Now what does tag say?
Stop turning around. Over here. He says smile in English and a smiley face.
It's a smiley face.
What have you got, child?
Red bean.
Alright, go on. Good? Okay. Fruit sandwich! Careful of your strawberries.